In a small town where nothing ever happened, a group of sauerkrauts decided to throw the wildest party. Just as the festivities began, an epic sneeze echoed, releasing a cloud of confetti and uncontrollable giggles. The townspeople, caught off guard, found themselves doing the twist alongside dancing sauerkrauts. Word spread, and soon, tourists flocked to the town, eager to witness the Sassy Sauerkraut phenomenon. This peculiar celebration began a yearly tradition, teaching everyone that sometimes the silliest moments lead to unforgettable joy.